Good afternoon, all of you. गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम फिर से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लगाएंगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे। ओके, यू इन्वर्टेड यूट्यूब मैनोमीटर्स पे क्वेश्चन लगाएंगे। ओके, देखिए an inverted differential manometer and inverted differential manometer is connected to pipes A and B, which convey water, which convey water. The fluid in manometer is oil. The fluid in manometer is oil. Specific gravity is 0.8 for the manometric reading as shown in figure. For the manometric reading as shown in figure, find the pressure difference between A and B. Find the pressure difference A and B. Okay, write the question. Okay, I will draw the sketch of this. Two pipes which convey water, it means water is flowing here and here 30. No, this question use a specific gravity 0.8. That liquid use a specific gravity 0.8 and pipe A and pipe B, in which water is flowing. Which water is flowing Okay, then how can you approach it? In this question, not big question, only height you should know. Like this, in this S1 equal to 0.8, not S1 equal S1 and S2 equal to 0.8, S equal to, oh shit, 1.8, that is manometric liquid, manometric fluid. Okay, H1 equal to H1 equal to 30 centimeter, and and टोटल टोटल हाइट 20 ये हो जाएगा आपका 20 सेंटीमीटर. H2 इक्वल टू 30 सेंटीमीटर, H इक्वल टू हो जाएगा आपका टोटल हाइट इज 50 माइनस 30 इक्वल टू 20 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, then write the equation. Pa minus rho 1 g h1, Pa minus rho 1 g h1, left limb pressure equal to right limb pressure equal to Pb minus rho 1 g h1, rho 2 g h2, rho 2 g h2 minus rho g h. Then Pa minus rho 1 g h1 given, that is given, rho 1 is 1000 into 9.81 into h1 is 0.3 equal to Pb minus 1000 into 9.81 minus 800 into 9.81 into h is 0.2. Then solve it. Pa minus Pb, Pa minus Pb, then 1569.6, 1569.6 Newton per meter square, Newton per meter square. Okay, you can find out easily. Okay, next question देखते हैं हम लोग. Okay, next question we will see. Hold on. that is different liquid. Okay, specific gravity 1.5 A, pipe B, pipe A, and this is the last question. The last question, pipe A and pipe B, 30 centimeter up to a height of 30 centimeter. Okay, specific gravity 1.2, S1 equal to 1.2, and height is h. Okay, specific gravity 0.7, specific gravity 0.7. Here liquid specific gravity 0.7 and specific gravity 1. Here specific gravity 1. It means given data in question. In question, I read this question. Find out the differential reading H. Find out the differential reading. Find out the differential reading H. Okay. You find out the differential reading H of an inverted U-tube manometer containing oil of specific gravity 0.7, containing oil of specific gravity 0.7 as the manometric fluid when they connected across point A and B as shown in figure. Below conveying liquid of specific gravity 1.2 and 1.1, 1.0 and immiscible and manometric fluid. Pipe A and B are located at the same level. Assume the pressure A and B to be equal. Assume that pressure A and B are equal. Okay, pressure A and B are equal. Then find out this. Okay. Okay, how can we approach? Write the equation of this simple question. It is very simple question. PA minus this PA minus rho 1g h1, PA minus rho 1g h1 minus rho gh minus rho gh equal to PB and this minus rho 2g h plus 0.3 h plus 0.3 easy. Okay, in question PA and PB equal to, then PA minus rho 1 gh1, rho 1 how much, 1.2 is specific gravity, then 1.2 into 1000 into 9.81 h1 is 0.3 centimeter 0.3 meter because I am writing in SI units, minus rho specific gravity 0.7, then 700 into g 9.81 rho g h1 that we will find out h equal to PB minus rho 2 1000 into 9.81 81 H is H plus 0.3. Then solve it. PA equal to PB. Then cancel out. PA equal to PB. Then solve it. H equal to 20 centimeter. When you solve it, H equal to 20 centimeter. It's very easy question. Okay. Further move out. Another question. Only I am sketch here question, not total question, right? That means same liquid up to reference, up to reference, and that is different liquid, not a different, same liquid here also. Water, 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 A and B. Height is 35 centimeter up to middle point. 35 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and 35 centimeter. centimeter and 30 centimeter. This question same like a previous question. Find out difference of pressure at A and B. Specific gravity pointed here water. It's very easy question. Then see given data H1 equal to 35 centimeter and H2 equal to 35 centimeter and H equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, then S1 and S2 equal to 1, S equal to 0.8. Okay, then write the equation of this. PA minus rho GH1 up to reference level, rho GH1, rho 1 G H1 equal to PB minus rho 2 G H2 minus rho G H. Clear? Clear? Then PA minus PB equal to ρ1GH minus ρ2GH2 minus ρGH. Okay, I think this is cancel out. No, 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 no. Not true. Okay, I think this is cancel out. Then minus rho GH. So I'm also told that if negative is that the answer is coming, then reverse it. PB minus PA equal to rho GH equal to rho means 800 into 9.81, rho G H is 30 into 10 to power minus 2. Then solve it. 2354.4. 2354.4 Newton per meter square. Okay. Okay. Write down. Note down this. Okay. Note it. In if I will summarize fluid properties of fluid mechanics, then we covered density, specific gravity, specific volume, viscosity of fluid, types of fluid, and surface tension, viscosity, capillary tube, and bulk modulus, and after that in fluid statics, pressure, Pascal law, and manometers. Okay. Okay. अगर समराइज किया जाए इसको तो हम लोग मैनोमीटर्स में क्या क्या पढ़ चुके हैं, मैनोमीटर्स पढ़ चुके हैं। क्या यहाँ पे यूज होता है? वो मैनोमीटर्स यूज फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ प्रेशर एट ए पॉइंट। मैनोमीटर्स यूज फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ प्रेशर एट ए पॉइंट, एंड पीजोमीटर्स वेर यूज ऑफ प्रेशर वेर वांट टू गेज प्रेशर। जहाँ हमको गेज प्रेशर निकालना होता है हम लोग वहाँ पे पीजोमीटर का यूज करते हैं। यहाँ की लैब, जब भी आप लैब देखेंगे, लैब में क्या लगा हुआ है? डिफरेंशियल मैनोमीटर लगा हुआ है। कोई भी कहीं भी कोई रीडिंग लेंगे, यहाँ पे पूरा लैब क्या आता है, पूरी रीडिंग कराई जाती है। जैसे अगर आप बात कर रहे हैं बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन वेंचुरीमीटर के, वेंचुरीमीटर क्या होता है आपका? रेट ऑफ फाइंड आउट रेट ऑफ फ्लो। ओके, तो डिस्चार्ज ऑफ फ्लूइड निकालने के जब भी देखेंगे तो पीई और पीबी निकाल, 2 पॉइंट निकालना होगा। 2 पॉइंट निकालने के हम क्या करते हैं? यूट्यूब डिफरेंशियल मैनोमीटर का यूज करते हैं। यूट्यूब डिफरेंस, तो जितना भी लैब है यहाँ पे, वहाँ पे यूट्यूब डिफरेंशियल मैनोमीटर का ही यूज किया जा रहा है। क्लियर है? तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर हमको, अब फर्स्ट आपका टॉपिक्स कंप्लीट हो गया होगा। फ्लूइड स्टैटिक, प्रेशर कंप्लीट, प्रेशर इज कंप्लीटेड। फर्स्ट इज फर्स्ट इज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फ्लूइड, properties of fluid, and second is pressure and its measurement, that is completed. ओके, आपने देखा कि गेट के क्वेश्चन में प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फ्लूइड से भी नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं, प्रेशर एंड इट्स मेजरमेंट से भी 2 नंबर के क्वेश्चन, 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन मैक्सिमम आते हैं। ठीक है, 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन मैक्सिमम। एक क्वेश्चन में देखता हूं अभी, ओके एक चीज और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, प्रेशर यूनिट पे नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। प्रेशर यूनिट क्या क्या है? बार, फर्स्ट इज बार, 1 बार इक्वल टू 10 to power 5 पास्कल, 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर 1 atm, 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर इक्वल टू 103.1325 किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर, एंड आल्सो यूज प्रेशर हेड के फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन आता है। प्रेशर हेड इक्वल टू 760 mm ऑफ मर्करी, 760 mm ऑफ मर्करी may be given, और 10.2 मीटर ऑफ वाटर, 760 mm mercury is given और 10.2 meter of water. Okay, pressure unit also can use this unit if any question, example, pipeline, a pipeline in which a fluid is flowing, and here open and attach a vertical column, in which show that pressure head equal to 10.2 meter of water, 10.2 meter of water. Then find out pressure at a point, data is given here. Then find out pressure at point in SI unit. Then how can solve it? Okay, I am also told you here pressure unit can also use in this form, pressure head equal to 760 mm of mercury and 10.2 meter of water. When this pipe used as a liquid of water, then when flow this due to pressure, when flow in this pipe due to pressure will rise the level of water in the column, how much? 10.2 meter. How much? 10.2 meter. That is pressure head. Then PA equal to rho GH. PA equal to rho GH. Rho is 1000 into 9.81 into H is 10.2. 10.2. ओके, तो आप यहाँ से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। सिमिलरली मरकरी 760 mm mercury means PHG equal to 760 into 13,600 into 9.81 into 10 to power minus 3, because here 760 mm is written. Okay, then can also use pressure unit in form of pressure head. Okay, तो आज के लिए थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर फोर्स। ओके, थैंक यू।